This video is about subject and verb identification. We're going to use this website from grammarbook.com, and we're going to go through some of the rules that it finds about subject-verb identification. There are five little rules we're going to discuss. First of all, a verb is a word that shows action. Okay. You could be running, you could be sleeping, you could be speaking. And a verb could show a state of being. The linking verbs is, are, was, were, am, and so on like that. You are my friend. That's the actual verb is are. Second thing, the noun, the subject of the sentence. The subject is a noun or a pronoun that performs the verb. It is what the sentence is about. The woman hurried. Well, who's hurrying? The woman. You can ask yourself, who is the sentence about? What is the sentence about? That will give you the subject. Okay. Let's talk about our first rule, which is really rule number 2. A subject will come before a phrase beginning with of. Normally, of is a prepositional phrase. Of yellow roses is a prepositional phrase. So a bouquet of yellow roses will lend color and fragrance to the room. The bouquet is the subject. This is a prepositional phrase. So bouquet is what will lend the color and fragrance to the room. Be careful of finding prepositional phrases that you might think is the sentence subject. Alright, rule number 3. To find the subject and verb, usually it helps to find the verb first, then ask who or what performed that verb. In your example, the jet engine passed inspection. So we figured out pass is an action verb, but what or who passed? The jet engine. The engine itself is what passed. So that is your subject. Second thing, in this sentence, be careful here. From the ceiling hung the chandelier. Well, most people say, is that the subject because it's at the beginning? No, that's actually a prepositional phrase. So go to your verb, hung. What hung from the ceiling? Oh, the chandelier. Therefore, chandelier is the subject. Whoops. Alright, let's look at the last little rule set. Rule number 4. Any request or command sentence, stop, hurry up, walk quickly. It has the understood of subject you, because if we ask who is supposed to stop or hurry, the answer is, well, you. The sentence is talking to you. So in the example, please bring me some coffee. Who is supposed to bring you coffee? You are. Bring is the verb. And who's doing that bringing? The understood you. Alright. Rule number 5. You can have more than one subject in a sentence. You can also have more than one verb. Alright. Let's take a look at these examples. I like cake. There's a complete thought right there. And he likes ice cream. Those are 2 sentences right there. You have I as your subject and he. There's your verb like twice. 2 pairs of subjects and 2 pairs of verbs. He and I both like cake. Like is your verb. Well, who likes cake? Well, he and I do. Here's an example of 2 subjects and 1 verb. She lifts weights and jogs daily. Well, who lifts and who jogs? She does. If you remember to keep the question of who does the verb, if you can answer, well, she does, like in this case, that will be your subject. Alright, we are done with the remedial lesson. If you would go to your teacher and ask for your exercises now.